Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to stop Excel from automatically calculating formulas to fix slow and freezing Excel by switching to manual calculation. This instantly halts the software from recalculating millions of cells every time you edit a single data row, completely eliminating lags, stutters, and program crashes in massive tracking sheets. First, open your heavy spreadsheet file in Microsoft Excel. Look at the main navigation toolbar running across the top interface and click on the Formulas tab. Move your eyes to the absolute far right edge of the ribbon Options menu and locate the Calculation command block. Click on the large button icon labeled Calculation Options to drop down its configuration selection list. Select the specific option explicitly labeled Manual from the choice layout list to freeze the real-time background calculation engine. Now you can type, paste data, and build structural layouts at blazing fast speeds without experiencing any processing lag whatsoever. Whenever you want to manually run and update your formula data grids, simply hit the F9 key on your keyboard to calculate the entire workbook, or press Shift plus F9 to update only your current active sheet layer. And that's it. Your fast performance workbook processing layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.